Hello there. Welcome back to Zuby's Organic Kitchen, where I share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspirations we all need to take charge of our health. Today, I'm going to share with you how I make my meatless okra sauce, and I'm going to serve it with quinoa. Keep watching. So this is my final product, my meatless okra sauce with quinoa. Remember, okra has a lot of health benefits. It has a lot of vitamin A, magnesium. It lowers your blood sugar, stabilizes your whole blood sugar, and it's good for your skin. And quinoa, man, it has a lot of benefits. Okay, this is one of those grains that if you're eating grain has a lot of protein in it, you can substitute rice for that. And if you're somebody who does not eat meat at all, you could serve this with beans on the side. Or when you make it, you can actually add some chickpeas to it, and that will be your protein. Okay, but quinoa in itself has a lot of protein, so you might not even need it. Okay, we truly, truly, truly do appreciate your support, and I am very convinced that you're going to love this dish. Okra happens to be one of my favorite foods because it has so many benefits to it. All right, I will be linking everything that I use to this video. Also, the benefits of okra, the benefits of quinoa, everything will be underneath the video. So you need to scroll down and take a look at it. And everything that I have here should also be on my website. You have only one body, take care of it. And like, share, and subscribe to our videos, okay? Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Have a great day.